Hi Skin Games, this is Kisha Hamilton from the Review in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 4 of our age management category. Today I am demonstrating how I combine microcurrent therapy and red light therapy as part of Anna's age management treatment plan to support lifting, tightening, and long-term skin repair. I begin with microcurrent therapy, which works at both a muscular and cellular level. As we age, our facial muscles begin to weaken and shorten, and this contributes a lot to the sagging that we see in our cheeks and jawline. So the microcurrent is going to deliver a low-level electrical current that will help re-educate the muscles, and then it improves circulation as well as enhances lymphatic drainage. For Anna, I focus primarily on the cheeks, jawline, and midface, and I used a controlled lifting movement to encourage the muscle engagement and visible lift. I paired the microcurrent with a peptide-rich ampule, and this is going to help to improve conductivity while also supporting collagen and elastin production. Once the microcurrent is complete, I transition into the red LED light therapy. This is going to allow the skin to shift into a restorative phase. So red light therapy works at the mitochondrial level, which is basically the level at which the cellular energy can be increased, and it accelerates the repair of the cells. This is called our ATP production. This will allow collagen production to be stimulated without causing any additional stress to the skin. For our treatments, Anna receives LED light at a 5 milliwatts and 50 hertz for 20 minutes. This helps to calm any residual inflammation while reinforcing the lifting and firming effects created by the microcurrent. This combination is especially effective for age management because microcurrent is going to address the muscle, tone, and structure, and then the LED is going to support cellular regeneration.